First act and then tell. One day, a mother crab and a baby crab were walking on the beach. Watching him walk sideways, the mother crab asked her son, "Why do you walk sideways like that? You should always walk straight ahead with your toes turned out. Please teach me how to walk in a straightforward manner with toes turned out, mother," requested the little crab obediently. So the mother crab tried to walk in a straightforward manner, but try as she might, she could not do so. Instead, she was also walking sideways just like her son. After that, the mother crab tried to turn out her toes, but to her shock, she tripped and fell on her face. The father crab was watching all this from a distance. On seeing this, he had a hearty laugh and told the mother crab, "Do not tell others how to act unless you can set a good example yourself." The Big Mouth Fox. A reindeer and a fox were great friends. One day, the reindeer found a bucket full of fruits under a big banyan tree in the forest. He decided to keep it a secret. He shared the secret with the fox and told him not to share it with anybody else. But the fox told the secret to all the animals of the forest. Next day, when the reindeer went to the secret place to eat the fruits, he discovered that all the fruits had been eaten. The reindeer realized that the fox had cheated him. So he thought of a plan to teach the fox a lesson. That same day, he told the fox that there was a lake full of fish in the middle of the forest. The fox again told everyone in the forest about this. All the animals searched for the lake, but there was no such lake. The animals got very angry for their wasted effort and thrashed the Big Mouth Fox for his lie. Lola the Whale. Lola was a very big whale. She always lived alone in the ocean. She appeared quite shy and aloof and had no friends. Whenever anyone tried to get close to her and cheer her up, Lola would go away. Due to this behavior of hers, no one liked to come close to her. But old Durga, 100-year-old sea turtle, told everyone that Lola was a good whale. She was friendly once but had changed over time. One day, Dido, a dolphin, heard about Lola and decided to follow her secretly. She found out that Lola had terribly bad breath because a little fish had got trapped in a corner of her mouth. This problem embarrassed Lola so much that she did not dare to speak to anyone. Dido talked to Lola and convinced Lola to take her help. Dido removed the remains of the fish from Lola's mouth. When the bad breath was gone, Lola was no longer embarrassed. Soon, Lola became friends with all the animals in the ocean. The Mocking Tiger. Once there lived a clever, strong tiger in a forest. He always made fun of other animals. He especially mocked the elephant by calling him slow and clumsy. One day, all the animals were holding a meeting in a cave near a mountain. Suddenly there was a storm and a huge tree fell in front of the cave, blocking its entrance. Everyone expected that the strong, clever tiger would easily help them to get out. But unfortunately, the tiger could not move the huge tree. Finally, a bumblebee escaped through a tiny gap between the rocks. She flew off in search of the elephant who had not come for the meeting because he was feeling sad. When the elephant heard of the problem, he immediately came to help. He moved the tree away from the entrance of the cave, setting the animals free. The animals congratulated both the elephant and the bumblebee. That day, the tiger learned his lesson and never mocked any animal again.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.